Turkle train.
Hey guys at home, as you've seen in our previous videos, I wasn't a big fan of the water bubbles. However, we have one water bubble left, and we are going to try to create the biggest water bubble in the world. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. We've been filling out the water bubble for about 2 minutes. We did start spraying a leak, but water is still filling. It's starting to get so big now that it's coming off the side of the play set. I don't know how much water this is gonna take. Like, I'm somewhat nervous.
Yeah.
I don't know how this is gonna go kids at home. Like, I'm not quite sure. I can't believe the water bubble exploded. You're all wet.
Yeah, because you got me soaked.
Oh, I got you soaked? Did you guys like seeing the water bubble?
No, I did.
You didn't? You give it a thumbs down? I gave it a thumbs way up. That was so cool.
Yeah.
All right, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Like a video, click the subscribe button.